Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 27. The learning outcome that you would get from this video is how to use revolve base boss command and how to use advanced sketching techniques. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's start. First of all, we will be revolving this cup shape and then we would make the handle. So first of all, make a center line, take a line, just roughly draw it. Okay. Five. .20 degree, given of radius 20 mm, and here 60 mm sketch fillet. Okay, then make it 60. Okay, alright, then offset entities, click here, it would select the whole outline, then it is given 8 mm, so make a offset of 8 mm, then okay, take line, just close the points, and like this our sketch is fully defined. Now just go on to revolve boss base and just select the center line and it would get revolved. Alright, just go over here, right click and make it show. Alright, then go to reference plane, click on this line, click on this line, okay, and sketch on this plane. Make normal to. First of all, just make a rough sketch of the handle that is shown. Convert the entities. Alright, make a 3 mm sketch fillet over here, radius, okay, just line and make it close, okay, then trim the other lines. Alright, make this as 30, this as 100, and 10, and this as 135. Alright, alright, then make a sketch fillet of 20 mm over here and also over here. Alright, Then offset the entities and make it 10 mm. Here it is given. Okay. Then also give sketch fillet of 3 radius here and here. Okay, and okay. Go on to features, extruded boss base, make it mid plane, and it is given of thickness 30 mm. Make it 30 mm. It would get equally spread on both the sides, 15 mm on left and right, and then okay. Just make the side and make this plane height. So here our model 27 is complete. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you.